everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have Miss Charlotte here because I was at work this morning and my husband went to Michael's for me. I told him, I says, hey, I want to go to Michael's after work. He's like, you know what, I'm just going to go to Michael's for you. And I'm like, sweet. So the Michael's bags, actually I found out, came out yesterday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And he went to Michael's with Charlotte and surprised me with 4 bags of stuff. He's like, the store doesn't hardly have any things, like there was hardly nothing there. She's laughing. But he's like, the store hardly had anything. It was just pretty much all crap. And then I'm like, okay, but I wanted him to surprise me on these. Like, I've gotten these every single time. He's never been with me. And I wanted to see how good he could pick stuff. I says, get some stuff with like summer things, activities, because they have like some floral stuff that I'm not interested in, other crap. But he said there wasn't that much to choose from. But from what I kind of saw in the bags, I haven't looked yet, I think he did a pretty good job. Now, he said there was 2 heavy ones. This one right here, I can barely even lift it. It is that heavy. There's another heavy one, and then I got 2 more. So we spent $12 to get 4 bags. Now, before you guys say anything like, I thought you're trying to get rid of stuff, that is true. But I do get, the stuff I get in here is things that I use for like presents and gifts, and then for Ben's like birthday parties, and now Charlotte's birthday party. You know, I always do little gift bags for the kids. I get them a lot of stuff for like a quarter of the price. So this is the reason why I do that. But I'm just like excited to see what I got in. So if you guys don't know what grab bags are, what they do is they usually discount items. They go up to 80% off. You know, and then all of a sudden they start doing the grab bags. Now, they never used to do these before. Some stores did, some stores don't. A lot of stores are now doing it because people go nuts over it. It's like a mystery box for $4. But this is random stuff. Most of it's seasonal stuff. So like this is all the summer stuff because they're bringing in all the Halloween things. And then usually like after Halloween, like 2 to 3 weeks, maybe sometimes even a month after Halloween, that stuff will go to, you know, up. It goes up to 80%, and then they do the grab bags. So some of these bags are worth like a couple bucks, and some of these bags are worth a couple $100. So I'm gonna dig in with the heaviest one and see what we got and see how well my husband, you know, chose. Because I'm like, I was kind of nervous. He like sent me a picture of it when I was at work, and I was kind of nervous. I'm like, what did he get? What did he get? And oh my God, I'm already excited about this one. A Nerf gun, you guys. And you know what's funny is I went to Walgreens yesterday and they had these like bullets for clearance, and I didn't get any because they didn't have a Nerf gun that matches these. So when I go to Walgreens again, I'm going to get those bullets that match it because these are the ones that are the mega. So right here, this thing right here, like they sell these for like $10 or something like that, maybe even more. I know Walgreens was selling this I think for $14.99 possibly. You guys, that is awesome. Husband gets a big thumbs up for that. So that is awesome. And then the next thing we got are some appliques or whatever, or I guess what you call patches. But we have some footballs, which are kind of good. We have a unicorn with a rainbow and a slice of pizza. That is super cool. I like that. And I have a box to shove everything in. And then you guys, this is what I was really excited about. Bubbles. And these are scented bubbles. So I'm assuming like the green one is, it's the first of the month, and now the monthly fire alarm is going off. But this is a huge thing. They want $3 for these big bubbles. And you can never go wrong with bubbles, you guys. I always am giving bubbles away for Ben's birthday party. So we got a green bubble. I'm just hoping none of these. We got a yellow one. I'm just going to put these bubbles here, you guys. Oh my God. We have a twin pack of scented bubbles. They don't say what scent they are. But this is a 2-pack, and this is $3. An orange, so I'm assuming that's like orange bubbles. Turquoise, not sure what turquoise is. These are definitely going in the gift bags, you guys, for the parties that we're having. That is awesome. I wish these came out before Ben's birthday party. I would have totally, you know, gave the big bubbles away. And then we have another orange one. And then this is a cool little game that I think is fun to play with Benjamin. It's one of those little splat things, so you got the mitt and then you splat it. So this is kind of cool to play with him. If not, it's a great little toy to get rid of. So I ended up getting 6 big bottles of bubbles and then a 2-pack, this little splat thing, which was again $3, and then that Nerf gun. So there's just one bag alone, you guys. That was awesome. Husband did awesome. I should make him go get some more stuff, because there's times where I'm like trying to like dig and find stuff, and yeah. So I can get this open with one hand. Okay, they double bagged this. You guys, I got more bubbles. So we got, I guess yellow's not really, you know, the scent. But we got 3 more twin packs of the double bubbles. Okay. And then there is okay, this is all just bubbles. $4 for this much bubbles. I think it's a pretty good deal. Ben just loves bubbles. So yeah, this whole bag is pretty much all bubbles because there's 3 more packs of the double bubbles. So I'm just gonna not even open that, but that was a good bag right there. Like he said he could see what was in some of them and the other stuff he couldn't, but I'm okay with that. 4 bubbles for, you know, $4 for, what did we get? $18 for $4 of bubbles. You know, that's a pretty good deal. And now we're gonna go through another bag. Let's see what we got, little girl. Huh? Should we see what we got? Because she's gonna be into bubbles soon, you know, when she's a year old. Okay. Awesome. It is a Nerf gun, and it's a super soaker. So this is what you put water in it. It's called the Piranha. This is awesome, you guys. This is probably, again, I want to say, well, with Michael's prices, they're a little expensive, but these are probably like $10 if you bought them. Maybe a little bit cheaper than that, but that is awesome, you guys. I've already feel like he's only bought $12 worth of stuff, and I feel like we definitely got our money's worth out of here. Now, this is something I thought was pretty cool. I kind of saw this through the bag. These are these splash pumpers. Now, Ben goes to the splash pad, and these kids are always spraying him with it. And I feel bad because we don't have one. But these were originally $5. And now we have like he can just fill it up with water and splash it. So there is 2 of them in here. Awesome. One for him and one for his sister. But that is awesome for $5. Then we also got chalk spray. I've never used chalk spray before, but that's kind of cool. This was originally $5 for chalk spray. So there's that. We got another splat game to play with. And you guys, more bubbles. So another twin pack and another twin pack. So definitely going bubble crazy for the gift bags for the parties that we're going to be going to. And now I got one more. This is probably the lightest one of them all. So let's just see what else we got. Yeah, but definitely call around. If you guys are not sure if your store has them, just call it. One time before when I used to call the stores, they got annoyed with me, so I kind of stopped calling them. But, yes! Okay. So I didn't get a variety of stuff like I do, but I do feel like we did get some other items. So we got another super soaker. So that is awesome because now Ben or Graham and I, one of us adults, can play with Ben. So we got 2 super soaker Nerf guns, and then we got 3 more of these little splash things. I just think these are cool, you guys. Like, I think these are really good. We got some at the Dollar Tree, and they're kind of crappy. Like, it bends really easy, but those are awesome. So yes. And then what we got is another splash thing, and this one's in the pink, or a little splatter thing. And then we got, again, more bubbles. So that was everything that I got. I mean, $12 for all that stuff. I'm pretty happy. I mean, just with the 3 Nerf guns, I think, you know, those right there are $12 altogether. And then we got all this random stuff. But we are bubble wasted, aren't we? She's like, I don't even know what bubbles are. Yeah, she's like, I don't even know what bubbles are. She's losing her hair on the top, but not in the back. So she's like going bald. It's funny. But Charlotte, are you excited? We can play with lots and lots of bubbles. Yeah, we have bubbles to give away for your birthday party because we got to start planning that. Yeah. But if you guys enjoyed my Michael's mystery haul, I think this is pretty good. This is stuff that we'll actually use. I feel like in the past we've gotten stuff that it's just like, what is this? This is crap. Junk crap. You know, some of that stuff I even thrown away. Some of it I've given away, like all that stuff. But this is stuff that we'll actually use. Yes, we have a ton of bubbles, but again, we will use all of these bubbles, especially when we have friends over. And I'm super excited about the Nerf guns. But if you guys enjoyed this Michael's Mystery Bag haul, please give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys all later for possibly a Halloween mystery bag on bagging or whatever. Again, thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.